Hey Gems, I wanted some Cheesecake Factory, so that's exactly what I did. Come along with me as we go to Cheesecake Factory and get some yummy, tasty food. And let me know in the comments section, what is your favorite thing to get from Cheesecake Factory? Look at this beautiful view, guys. Hey everybody, this is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. Hey guys, at Cheesecake Factory with my sister after going to the Sunflower Farms, and I'm about to see what we're gonna eat. I'm super hungry. What do you guys usually get when you go to Cheesecake Factory? Let me know in the comments. 12 things to always remember. The past cannot be changed. Opinions don't define your reality. Everyone's journey is different. Things always get better with time. Judgments are a confession of character. Overthinking will lead to sadness. Happiness is found within. Positive thoughts create positive things. Smiles are contagious. Kindness is free. You only fail if you quit, and what goes around comes around. When we keep our mind on a positive wavelength, we will receive more positive things. So let's try to remember some of these things as we go through our day, our month, and our year. Try to stay in the positive. Focus on what you can do and let go of what you cannot. Channel member shout out, always that girl, Love Baby, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Dave's Adventures, Boss Life Online, Sirius S. a Virgo from Georgia. Join my channel membership if you want to be featured. Cruise Life 22, Tracy Positive Corner, Oliver's Vlog TV Mix, Z Unpacking Life, Tasha T, Nate the Great Podcast 2.0. And if you want to be featured, it's 99 cents for membership. Hunter Killer, Lara Boss Killer, Just Call Me Sammy 33, Global Empire ENT Media. I appreciate every single one of my channel members. And I am Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to leave me a comment below.
Check out my outfit of the day. Let me show you fun. Let me show you how to have fun in the sun. Life with Marlene.